Guys, so welcome to Cloud Learning channel. Hope everybody is doing good. So today we are going to discuss about Dev Test Lab service, which is quite good, which is quite useful. Okay, this is kind of a service which is provide you a lab environment. Okay, where you can create virtual machines and you can control them. Like you can set up policies for them. You can set up. It is just dedicated for just dedicated for developers and developers can create the environment separately, right? And it have like features like auto start and auto stop on the VM, right? Windows and Linux both kind of environment you can create. Quickly provision development and test environment, okay? And minimize waste with quota and policy. So there are number of benefits which is available in DevTest Lab. What we are trying to do now to achieve in this, uh, we will try to create a lab environment and to cover the demo part for this. That is the main focus. Okay, so let's try to cover DevOps labs into just 5 minutes maybe. You just need to log in into the environment, okay, and you can go to DevTest Lab service. Once you go there, you can create develop DevTest Lab environment. Okay, what you need there, you need subscription, a resource group. So I have one resource group named as Test Dev Lab, so I put this, or you can create new as well. Okay, and I say test lab, dev test lab, c1. Okay, you can choose your location. I say like Center Delhi, India, and you can create it public or you can keep it private as well if you want. Okay, then you have the features like on or off. You can auto shut down your machines at a particular time. So suppose if I want at 7 p.m. my virtual machine get automatically shut down, I can definitely do that, and that would be more useful. I can set up the email notification and I can send the mails to a particular email ID as well. Okay. Then the next step is network, which network you want to use. So if you have any dedicated network for your organization, you can use that one and you can use that one, right? That is very well available. I will choose the default one, that is fine. Isolate resource lab resources. If you want to keep your resources isolated, and definitely you can do that as well. They support this. Okay, and they basically it would be isolated in a different network. And you can add the required tabs. Okay, like you can put the information, who is owner, who is like cloud learning. You can say like technical contact. Okay, that kind of information you can fill in this lab environment. Then all is good and you are ready to proceed further. Okay, so you can review and create. That's all the basic information which is required to create a lab environment. Let it be create and we will see like how the complete information, how it looks after once it get creates, right? So right now it is in progress and it will take like 2-3 minutes and I think I will be back after that, right? That would be better and we can have a look on this. Okay. So here it is like how it looks after deployment. Here you see like this lab got deployed, right? And next step is to proceed further. You can go to resource. Okay, now once it get ready, now it looks like this. Okay, so this is your dev test lab environment and now it got ready. First lab is ready, we can use our services, right? So now again If you want to see, go to DevTest lab and you can see one lab is ready now. Okay, and if you click on that, you can get the further details. Now in the further video, like let me stop at this point. Right now we can see like how we created the DevTest lab. In the next video, we will see like how to create or how to add virtual machines, how you can create virtual machine in this lab, and how the other things can be configured. So we will have a look on this point. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video and if you find this video information useful for you, please share it with your friends and hit a like button, and in location in comment please let me know what is your location, so that your comments keep me motivated to create more such videos. Thanks a lot for watching this video till this point. Thank